Every day, millions of people unlock their phone with just a single tap. But have you ever stopped at a moment and asked yourself, how does this phone exactly knows where I touch? Does it recognize my fingerprint? Does it detect any pressure of my finger? Or is there any invisible scientific principle that lies behind this screen? Let's investigate it through a simple scientific activity. Hello everyone, I am Kamesh Gupta, student of class 10 from Leelavati Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School. Today I will demonstrate hidden science behind one of the technologies we use every single day. The aim of this activity is to understand why the smartphone touchscreen responds to the conductive material but not the insulation one. Start with a demonstration. For the demonstration, I have selected four items. First, my finger, a plastic pen, a dry cotton, and a wooden pencil. So let's start the test. So I'm using this plastic pen at the first. See, there is no response. Now the dry cotton. Again, no response. Now the wooden pencil. Still no response. And at the last, I'm using my finger. See, there is response in the touch screen. So from this test, we have observed that the conductivity of the material activates the touch screen. From these all four objects, only my finger would successfully activate the touch screen. So the question arises, why the smartphone only activates through my finger but not the objects? So the answer lies in the capacitance. A capacitive touch screen has a conductive layer that creates an electrical field across the screen. When a conductive object, such as a human finger, touches the screen, it changes the field. The device detects this change and identifies the touch position. Plastic, wood, dry cotton are the insulators, but my finger is the conductor that activates the touch screen. So the same scientific principle used in everyday life, such as smartphones, tablets, interactive boards in the classroom, etc. So now let's talk about the conclusion. From this investigation, we have proved that the touchscreen is not depend on any fingerprint or any pressure. It depends on the conductive material that creates the electrical field between the object and the touchscreen. So the science is the hidden technology that surrounds us. Thank you.